Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add new product group in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting and then we are in shipping. So this is our region 1. Now you see, and we select rest of the world. So we are going to add new group name in Wix website. So we select rate by product and then you see you have one product group. Now click on manage product groups. So we are going to add new product groups. So this is our default group 1. So we are going to add new. Now you see setting icon, so click on it or hover on it and then you see add a new group, so click on it. Now you see pop up, add a new group. So you can add new group that will share the same shipping rate. So you can add group name. Now you see, for example, heavy product. So you can add name according to requirement. So we are going to add group 2 and then click on add group. Now you see group added. Now click on it. Now you see group 1, group 2. If you want, you can add new group or more group according to requirement. So you can assign these group to product according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.